In a quiet countryside village lived two young siblings, Ethan and Lily. Life was simple and peaceful until one tragic evening changed everything forever. Their parents passed away in a car accident, leaving the two children alone in a world too harsh for their tender ages. Ethan was only 14 and Lily was just 10. Their uncle, Mr. Harold, took them in, but love was not part of his nature. To him, Ethan and Lily were not children, they were free labor. Every day, Mr. Harold forced them to work beyond their strength. Ethan carried heavy sacks, chopped wood, cleaned barns, and worked in the fields. Lily cooked, washed dishes, cleaned the entire house and did the laundry. A small mistake meant shouting, beating, or harsh punishments. Yet despite all the cruelty, the two siblings held on to one thing: hope. Their mother's last words still echoed in their hearts. "My children never lose courage. Hard work always finds its way to light." These words became their strength, a ray of hope in the darkness. One evening, Ethan sat exhausted on the ground after hours of labor. His hands were covered with blisters. Lily brought him water. Ethan whispered, "Lily, how long will we live like this?" Lily smiled softly despite her tired eyes. "Until we change our lives, Ethan. One day, we will stand on our own feet. We just have to keep going." That single sentence lit a spark in Ethan's heart. That night, he made a promise to himself. He would build a life where no one could ever treat them as weak or helpless. The day everything started to change. Ethan secretly began visiting a local carpenter's workshop at night. There he learned how to cut wood, shape furniture, repair old items, and polish them to perfection. The old carpenter noticed Ethan's dedication and started teaching him willingly. Meanwhile, Lily developed her own skill cooking. She learned to make pasta, pies, pastries, and traditional English dishes. Soon, neighbours started ordering food from her for small events. Both siblings had one dream: to earn with dignity and build a life of freedom. The rise of two brave hearts. Years passed. Ethan, now skilled and confident, opened his own small furniture workshop. People admired his craftsmanship. His chairs, tables, and cupboards became famous in the entire region. Lily started her home-based catering service, and people loved her cooking. Her dishes became the highlight of community gatherings and small parties. Together, the siblings built something beautiful. Ethan's furniture and Lily's food service became a powerful combination, and their name spread far and wide. Money came, respect came, but most importantly, freedom came. One day, Uncle Harold visited them, shocked to see the same children he once mistreated now standing tall and successful. Ethan looked at him calmly and said, "Uncle, your cruelty didn't break us. It built us. We learned that no hardship can stop a determined heart." Harold lowered his gaze and walked away quietly. Those two weak children were gone. Two strong, successful individuals had taken their place. Moral of the story: hard times don't last, but hard-working people do. No amount of cruelty can defeat someone who refuses to give up. Pain can either break you or build you. The choice is yours.